Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Keeper Tax Deduction Tracker for freelancers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Keeper Tax Deduction Tracker for freelancers, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Keeper Tax website. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the website loads, look for the download button on the home page. Click on the download button to begin the process. You may be redirected to a page that provides options for different platforms. Choose the version compatible with your device, whether it's for Windows or Mac. If you're using a mobile device, look for the App Store link to download the mobile version. After selecting your platform, click the appropriate download link. The file will begin to download, and you can track the progress at the bottom of your browser. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. For Mac users, double-click the .dmg file to open it. For Windows users, locate the .exe file and double-click to execute it. Follow the prompts to install Keeper Tax on your device. During installation, you may need to accept terms and conditions. Once installed, open the Keeper Tax application. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. After completing these steps, you're ready to start using the Keeper Tax Deduction Tracker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.